Okay, so I am broke. I had a very beautiful past, as you can see from those awards. I was topper of not of the class, but of the school, and not of a single school. No matter how many schools I've changed, I was topper everywhere. So I had a very beautiful past. But then, since I was consistently winning, and that was the mistake that I was unable to face the failure. Yeah, I, I've never played a game where I could lose. I've never been in a fight where I could lose. For me, failure was disaster. So for the first time when I failed, I couldn't handle it, and after that, I've been failing over and over and over again. I left my study. I left education due to financial reasons. I can't continue my studies. Family says that we will provide you money, but everybody knows that they will get debt from somewhere, from someone, and it's kind of I can't. I can't bear this. I mean, I can't focus on studies when I know that the education, the life that I'm continuing is based off of debt. So, my main goal after my father passed away 7 years ago, after that, I had no interest in education. I had severe interest in studies, no money. After that, I've been trying different things out. None of them was interesting enough. For me, that was the first time. Since I'm an introvert, I learn the skill easily, but I can't monetize it since I don't know how to communicate with people. I've learned so many skills, but failed in every skill to monetize it. I learned blogging, articles writing, failed to monetize it. Video editing and web development, and so many other minor skills, but failed in all of it. Recently, I tried web development, but since when I was trying to jobs, the almost all the companies required bachelor's degree, which I don't have. I thought it would be difficult for me to pursue this career, and I also don't like working for someone else. I like doing things for myself. I like my own businesses. I like to do my own things. I am not a very big fan of money. I'm a big fan of pursuing what you like to do. But now I have decided to start this YouTube channel. I have started so many different channels in the past, but I failed in every one, except one. I won in a single channel, but that was just for money purposes. And when you do something for money, you don't have any interest in it, you can't continue it. And that was the same mistake. I monetized that channel, but I can't continue it. It's so difficult for me. So I thought, I will do something that I really like, that I enjoy, and this is the channel. This is the channel where I share my experience, share my knowledge with you guys, and build a community, help you guys. Since I'm an introvert, so I would like to help those people who are like me and help them out with their career. I have so many mental health issues. I can't treat it just because of money. I hope when I build a community, I'll help those people out who have the same issues with financial and mental issues. I'll try hard to build a system where you won't have to worry about those things, especially in a very young age. So what I'm gonna be sharing in this channel? Well, for the past 4 or 5 months, I've been trading. 4 months. I've been trading Forex. I've seen some good results. I have learned so many different things, and now I'm at a point where I have confidence that I can build my account, can grow my account, and yeah, I have learned so many things, and I'll be sharing those trade recaps, thought process on those trades, my learnings, my losses, my profits, and my big goal to turn my $20 account into $2 billion account. I know it's a great figure, it's a huge figure, but you know why I am trying to turn this into 2 billion? Just because that it's a huge number and it will require a lot of time, and yeah, I just need time. I don't like life, and it's a huge since this is a very big goal, it will require time, so I can easily live my life by this goal. It's not for money, just because that it's hard, that's why I want to do it. And yeah, that's the big goal of my life. I'm not interested in so many other stupid things. My life is this room. On my right side there is a bed where I sleep, and when I wake up, this is the chair I sit. This is laptop and just whole day I pass on this chair. The whole day passes by and I do work, learn stuff, this and that, and just sleep. That's my whole life. And I hope I don't know. So let me share my screen with you. So look at this. I hope you can see this. These are my first deposits, $13 deposits. 3 July. What's the exact date? Yeah, it's in 2023. So in 2023, I deposited $13, which I lost in just a single month, I guess. At that time, I didn't know any strategy, and I lost all the money. After that, I knew that I have to do something. I have to learn a skill where I can earn money and then put that money into forex trading. This time, I was really into forex trading, which I knew it's the perfect thing for me. And after that, 1 year later, I had learned a skill, web development, and I knew that soon I'm gonna monetize that and will be earning money. But I was wrong. I'm still not earning money. It's 6, which means it's June. And I'm still not earning money. It has been 3 months or 4, I guess. This is $25. I live in Pakistan, and my pocket money is around $10 a month, in which $7 is my internet package and $3 is savings. So I saved $3, $4 each month and built this $25 savings and put that into my account. And now this account is at $15. Good. For 3-4 months, I've been trading gold. I'm going to show you the history too. I've been trading gold and I'm still alive with this account, which is amazing. Yeah, I've seen so many professionals blowing their accounts, and those are not smaller accounts. Smaller account is very tough to continue with, but this is what I have and I'm gonna continue with. I'm not gonna make excuses. No matter what you have, continue with that. So let me share my history of orders. So as you can see that yesterday I made 3 big losses. That was my mistake. But it happens. It happens from time to time. I hope I can recover this. Losing is a part of a game, and I'm gonna recover it. It's gonna be completely okay. So on this channel, I'm gonna be sharing my trade recaps, my financial goals, my business ideas, business plans that I'm gonna start in future. It's gonna be a whole journey. Since I'm broke, I have a lot of things to do, and I'm gonna be continually sharing this with you so that you can get inspiration. You can also get education. I may share my trading strategy on this channel, but not sure, because I will also require a backtesting tool, which I don't have yet. I hope I make this possible, and it's gonna be really fun. I'll also, in the next videos, I'll also share my trading plan, and after that I will also share my financial goal, roadmap. And if you want to know that, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification when I upload that video. So take care. I wish you good luck, and I would like you to wish me good luck, and that's it. Thank you.